These are 6 pairs of metatarsal pads, and they're made of soft gel. And it's nice that you get 6 pairs of them, so a total of 12. And this is what they look like. And they're very stretchy too. And this is what the inside looks like. You put your toes inside here. Your big toe goes here, your second toe goes here, and your third, fourth, and fifth toes go here. They also are for right and left feet, so it doesn't matter which side you use. And these are stretchable. These also could be used for both men and women, and they say it is stretchable, so it will fit for most men and women. And when they stretch, it's kind of like a hexagon type of a shape, and it does feel so squishy on the ball of my feet. Very comfortable. These also are washable with just soap and water, and then you just allow it to air dry. And if it does start getting sticky, you can just use some talcum powder and allow it to air dry, and you can just put some powder in between. So just wanted to show you what it looks like and how to use it, and hopefully I can use these for a long time to come. So definitely recommend it. It's a shock absorber, it's also anti-skid, and you can also wear socks over it. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful.